It didn't feel like January outside today as high temperatures made their way into the 40s. We didn't see a ton of sunshine, but even though we didn't see the sunshine, those temperatures were fairly nice. We had some breezy conditions at times, some patchy drizzle as well. Well, for the most part, we were pretty lucky today with those temperatures warming all the way up to around 40 to 42 degrees for highs. Now we do have a chance for some weekend snow. It does look like we miss out on at least the brunt of it, staying to our south, impacting portions of eastern Iowa into northern Illinois and central Illinois. So we'll talk about that. But we will have several different chances for some snowfall coming up, especially late in the weekend. And then all of a sudden, cold temperatures. We'll see that in your 7-day forecast. Outside, though, not cold whatsoever. 35 still here in Rochester. Those winds are out of the west at about 14 miles per hour. That's our Louis Donato live camera. Now, as we look downtown, we see those wet roadways. We did deal with some light drizzle throughout the mid portion of your afternoon today. Temperatures so far still, for the most part, sitting in those mid to upper 30s. Still in the 40s. La Crosse at 42, Winona 46, 45 in Decorah. So some very comfortable conditions. It's hard to believe that it is January. The cold temperatures will be on the way here through the next several weeks. So outside, some patchy drizzle, especially to the east of the Mississippi River. But for the most part, pretty quiet conditions overnight tonight. We hang on to that cloud cover. So the cloud cover not going anywhere. I think we stay cloudy for tomorrow as well. The areas down to our south, though, it's kind of the focal point, at least across the Midwest, because some very treacherous type of conditions will be possible. Talking about potentially upwards of an inch of ice in some areas coming up Friday through Saturday night for many areas here in the pink, and then all of a sudden snow and ice possible as well. So switching over to snow potentially then into Sunday with accumulations reaching close to 5 to 10 inches. We miss out on that. Luckily, we'll deal with some light snow on the back end of this low pressure system, bringing with it maybe a couple inches when all said and done on Sunday. So let's time everything out here in Futurecast, because if you have to travel this weekend, have to go southward, you might want to change those plans as we move forward here. So it starts out as rainfall down to our south. Notice some snow off to our west. We're pretty quiet to start off your morning tomorrow on Friday. As we continue to move through Friday afternoon and evening, we could sneak in the chance for some very light snow, especially to the south of I-90. So into northeastern Iowa, light snow accumulations will be minor with that. Notice, though, down to our south, the freeze line. Watch where the purple and pink start to line up at. Staying well to our south, same with the snowfall. But heavy snow just out of the KTTC viewing area, just down to the south, the southeast, and then we have all the freezing precipitation to our southeast as well. As we continue to move through Saturday into Saturday night, finally that system starts to push to the northeast. That gives us a little bit of a wraparound and potentially just a little bit of snowfall Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Our best chance for snow, at least accumulating snow, will be a secondary wave of energy behind that strong low pressure system, potentially bringing us a couple inches of snow late Sunday into your Monday. The good news is we miss out on most of the snowfall and ice accumulations through the weekend. 17 for the overnight low tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow for your Friday, 22. So seasonal type temperatures are back in the forecast, about 20 degrees colder than what we were today. And then 18 on Saturday, and then as we head towards next week, that's when we get to look forward to the real cold type of temperatures. I had kind of talked about it, I think a week ago. I think we start to see the pattern change a little bit, more or less into that brutal Minnesota winter type of temperatures, maybe sub-zero high temperatures.
This is probably it for the comfortable
Oh, the 40s?
stuff. Yeah.
The 40s are not coming back anytime soon.
Kiss them goodbye.
Kiss them goodbye until maybe we get lucky and there's a random 40-degree mark somewhere, but not anytime soon.
Okay, thank you, Nick. And